guys, I am a 1D gamer, and in today's video we're going to be doing another mission. Now, currently I am making this video because I will not be doing one on Friday, so I'm going to upload this on Friday, but today is Thursday, but this video will be uploaded on the Friday because I'm away at my friend's house, but we will be doing a YouTube video at my friend's house, not GTA San Andreas. So, yeah, you get that. But yeah, in today's video, we're going to be doing a mission for Ryder. Ryder, nigga, where you at? Fuck off, ballers. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this shit. Woo! Let's bounce. My nigga. Right now, guys, I am so sorry.
What the hell you doing? I think I couldn't find that wet I buried. So I'm making my own straw. It's easy, fool.
Man, don't do that. You'll saute the both of us.
Morning, boys.
Man, who you calling boy, fool?
Well, what should I call you, midget?
How about prick?
Prick.
Yeah, prick works.
Man, fuck you.
Bitch, get out of here. Smells good. What's cooking? Where's mine?
Man, just chill out, alright? Ooh. Yeah, sweat me.
My wife loves this stuff, man. Anyway, there's a train gonna make a
You drive, CJ. Seeing as you missed the driver and all.
Not your shit again. Don't give me a hard time about my driving. I ain't got the energy for it, man.
Well, don't go roll the damn car over and blow us all up in flames then.
Nah, I ain't rising to your shit, man.
Good. Means you
Let's
concentrate
go
on the
and
road
rob
then.
this train. This will be in parts
You better
because
give a homie a hard time.
It's trying to keep
my
my
phone
soldiers alive, nigga.
has got a video that's got 10 minutes
What's
on,
wrong, motherfucker? The
so
road.
it's gonna be kind of hard. But
Yeah, here we go.
That's our train, all right.
I had to run him over, so I got a gun.
Look like some Northside Vagos got it first.
Let's drop them. Alright, so. Woo, let's go.
Oh, what's this? We got ballers trying to crash the party?
Look like Tenpenny told every gang in South Central.
Man, we gonna smoke those ball assholes. Go check out the train, CJ.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Come on in.
Damn, what is that?
Chill out, fool. We gonna be right behind you. Throw me some boxes, CJ. Damn, not so hard. Keep them coming. Bullseye. Trying to kill me.
I think I might make it in parts, guys,
Can't
but
stop me.
I don't think this will be in parts
Okay,
at all.
CJ, that's all I can carry.
Right, so
Hop in the car and stab out, fool.
let's
Man, we
go
got one time on our tail.
to place. Yo, let's go, let's go.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do.
Watch out, see? Right there.
I ain't never gonna catch this gangster, fool. Head back to Grove Street, fool.
Alright, let's go.
Look out, fool. Pay attention.
Oh, damn it! Taking ever.
Head back to Grove Street, fool. LB's coming over to stash the shit.
Okay, later then.
For life, CJ. For life, you heard?
So guys, thanks for watching this episode of GTA San Andreas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, and peace out.